Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add talk about or hashtag in your LinkedIn profile. So I'm going to show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Okay, so just log in with your email ID and in LinkedIn with your email ID. Then this page will be open. So just click on your name, or you can just click on this down arrow and go to the view profile. Okay, so your profile will be view like this. Okay, so so generally talk about is appear here. Okay, you can add talk about here, which is hashtag basically. So how you can add it? Okay, so just I will show in this video. So just scroll down here, and in the resource sector you will see the option called creator mode, my network, and salary insight. Okay, so you have to just click on creator mode. So get discovery, showcase content on your profile, and get access to creator tools. So this is tool for to get discovered and showcase your content. Okay, just click on it, and now if you first time on this, you can see this is highlighted because this is talk about. Okay, yeah, we are going to add this talk about a hashtag. So just click on next. So from here you can see this topic option, and topic you select will be display on your profiles to show potential your followers what you post about most. So you can choose up to 5 hashtag here. You have to add hashtag and topic is the same. So you can add up to 5 topics. So I suggest you add the relevant topics. Don't add the most different topics. Just add the relevant topics. So use relevant hashtag to all these 5. Okay, okay, just click on add. So I just give the example. So I just give the video editor. Okay, this is my one hashtag done. Second, I will go with the video maker, or whatever you want. You can think you will you maybe have knowledge of your field. So use the hashtag relevant and regarding your field. So any video, photoshops, whatever. Okay, I will. Okay, so use the relevant hashtag. Okay, and just done. Okay, so you can use the up to 5 hashtag, use it, and just done. So I will give you the one bonus advice, or you can say information. Okay, so just watch it. So let me show the page view. So click on OK and refresh your page. So bonus information I will give you, don't worry. You can see my talk about hashtag has been add. Okay, so I suggest you don't use hashtag by manually or randomly. Use first search the hashtag in LinkedIn. Okay, so how you can search it? Just go and search here hashtag. So I just search video editor and see the how much followers on this particular hashtag and how much popular of this particular hashtag, and use a hashtag like this. Okay, so my internet slow guys. Just search your hashtag, and you will also get the relevant hashtag in suggestion field. So I suggest you this. Okay, this hashtag is a very popular and 1645 followers. So you can use this hashtag in your field, and when you typing the your hashtag here, you can see there is a many hashtag relevant hashtag appear here. Just copy it up to 5 and just paste on your talk about. So it will be boost your profile, and it will be great to grow your profile. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.